Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2021. Consider the following ANSI C function and the function name is sum function and which is taking the two parameters x and y and they have given certain logic. Let's see what they are expecting. The value written by the function sum function by passing the values 15 comma 255 is okay, meaning that they are going to pass the x value as 15 and y temporary variable having the value as 255 according to what they passed from the outside function call. Okay, fine. Is it x value 1? No. Or y value 1? No. So is both are same? No. Then we have to go for the another case. Like is x greater than y? No. Is y greater than x? Yes. Right. Meaning that when you are going to call some function of 15 comma 255, it is going to call a function called this one, right? Y greater than x, that is 255 greater than 15. So it's going to have s of x comma 255 minus 15, that is 240. 240. Okay, here. So this again is going to call the recursive function. So again you are going to get this, all the conditions are going to be failed and this y greater than x is going to be executed. So again 15 comma 225. Guys, if you observe this one, this is an algorithm which is related to find GCD of two numbers. So I'm trying to do the same thing. S of 15 comma 2 not 210, 210. S of 15 comma 195 and so on. Like this you have to continue to do the process until S of 15 comma 15, 15 of 15, right? So is 195 is perfectly divisible by 15, right? So 195 is perfectly divisible by 15, so you are going to get S of 15 comma 15 recursive call, recursive call. And now x value is 15, y value is also 15. When both are same, it is going to simply return the value of x. What is the value of x? 15. So your answer will be 15. Simply they have given this as algorithm of GCD of two numbers. Okay, I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.